The next paper technique that I'm going to have a little look at is a bit more of a controlled sort of like a cut, and they're really neat, some cut controlled strips of magazine paper, and we can see there's words inside this paper as well. I like the way that this artist blends the tones and sort of merges the different tones, so we're going to have a little go at that. So just taking a little snippet from a magazine, we can see that there's yellow, browny, orangey tones, and I'm going to play around with those. So the first thing to do is cut some strips. You want to make these similar in width. Now, whilst there is no text in this piece that I've chosen, there is imagery, so that will look quite nice as well. There we go. So now I'm just going to stick these in place by putting a little bit of glue onto my paper. And I'm going to start off with the lightest tones at the top. I'm going to leave some gaps because what I will do is merge them slightly. I'm going to have them overlapping. Oh, not that way around, get the colour right. Darkest tones will go at the bottom. We don't want them stop-starty between the tones, we want them sort of merging into each other a little bit. So there we go, you can see that I've not perfectly placed them, I have got them merged a little bit, and my tones are coming down. And then at the bottom, where do I want that? I think I want it about there. At the bottom it's a little bit darker. And there we go, we've got some very controlled strips which give a completely different texture to the other two techniques, and a lot of colour.